guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be directing you how you can be setting up JX VPN application on your Android device in almost all countries and on almost all networks. The first step, you're going to first download the VPN application from our official Google Play Store application. So make sure to open the Google Play Store and download the VPN application called JX VPN. It is JX VPN. Then you are going to open this VPN after installing it. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. I'm going to download that application and I open my VPN application. Initially it will be looking like this, and after opening they're going to be telling me many notices that they are going to update, but the mistake you guys have been doing, I'm going to be showing it to you, and you stop complaining that the applications are not working in your countries. Most especially those in countries like Zimbabwe and South Africa have been complaining a lot. I have also seen someone from Pakistan complaining, yet those guys are not following up with the tutorials. You guys don't skip these videos, because once you skip you're going to miss out very important events. So I recommend you guys to follow each and every step if you want these VPN applications to be connecting on your Android devices. So they are not so hard to set. I'm going to be setting only 3 specific, and they are the basic settings. I'm going to click there, here and here, and wait for this video to see how am I going to do it. Don't just skip the video, because once you skip, you're going to be the very person that is going to say it is not working down there in the comment section. Remember, that affects our channel, and my goal is not to set this application not to work. It is these applications to work in all countries and on almost all networks. Let us come right here where we have those 3 dashes. Then we are going to click this one, the update. Then we are going to check the updates until we see a message that no updates are available. You guys, we are going to do this when we have some running data bundle on our account, so that this thing can completely work. So we are going to come now right here where we have the servers. Then you click and wait a moment until they bring you a list of servers. You guys who are following up with this tutorial, I recommend you to use the best performance server, which is completely free, and you're going to click on that one. Now let us all gather here and we see why most of the people are complaining that the applications are not working. Here's why. You come right here, and then I'm going to search UDP. You guys, I recommend you to use the first server that comes, which is World UDP. That word, I don't want to mention that word because it is highly prohibited. So I recommend you to start up with your VPN application. You see, I've used over 18 GBs today, and wait a few moments. You're going to see that the application has connected successfully, and you guys stop complaining, because the applications are working and you are confirming in the tutorials. That is the AD, and I sign out.